Hey guys, so we are back with Basant Bhatt again after that video of Tongue Twister Challenge with Radha Krishna team. And now in this video, I'm going to be asking some day-to-day life questions which I know you all must be interested in. So yes, let's begin.
ऐसे कौन से सवाल है भाई?
Day-to-day life से related है and yes, it can define your character too. Okay, so my first question is, what makes you happy?
What makes me happy is a very complex question actually, because there cannot be a single answer to it. There are multiple things which makes me happy. First of all, my parents.
Wow.
When I see them happy, I feel happy. Not only parents, but if I see anyone happy, it gives a pleasure to me. I don't know, some pleasure about seeing someone happy is the pleasure which I seek. And apart from that, if you ask me materially, which is the thing which makes me happy, is so
Yeah,
so Chiku makes me happy. हम जब गेम खेलते हैं तो गेम में जीतता हूँ तो हैप्पीनेस होती है.
Okay. Brindan sir. Second question. His definition of true love.
Very good question. But your question hurt me.
Again, a very complex question. True love cannot be defined by words, I guess. It is a complex feeling, and if you see biologically, then there are few chemicals in your brain which gets released, which we call hormones, oxytocin and dopamine and several others, which makes you feel that you're in love. But when it gets down, so you don't feel that love anymore. I'll say love is nothing but a companionship and care about someone whom you value so much in your life. So that's what the true love.
Very technical answer.
Yeah, exactly.
So according to Basant Bhatt, if you are in a true love, that means your dopamine is high.
Exactly.
Okay, my third question is, to whom you are most closest in your family and why? And yes, do you ask for any advices and how often?
There are multiple questions in this.
Yes.
First question, let me answer
Okay.
that. I am closest to my mother, but it's not like that I'm not close to my father or my brother. But yeah, if you ask me to whom I'm the closest, then it would be my mother.
Mother! Same answer I've given. Okay, so do you ask for any advice from your family members and how often?
I rarely do that, but whenever I have to take any big decision or if I have to buy something very expensive, then I tend to go to them and ask for the advices, because that's what makes it a family, right? if you don't ask advices of your family members, then what's the point?
Correct. Okay, so my next question is, pranks and craziest things you have done inside or outside the school?
Pranks I never used to do because I was a very sober child.
Sharif bacha.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, so very sincere question right now.
अभी तक के कौन से सिंपल थे, सारे सिंसियर क्वेश्चन.
But this is something which world needs right now. So what is the most important thing according to you which world needs right now?
Education, I think. Because education is the first thing which everyone should have and everyone deserve to have. Because बहुत सारी हम compare करते हैं जब भी दूसरी countries से हमारी country को, तो हम wealth में compare करते हैं, हम development में compare करते हैं, but we never compare ourselves with other countries in terms of education. which is the most important criteria or thing a country should have, because जितने ज़्यादा लोग educated होंगे, और education system को भी improve होना चाहिए, because we are lacking in that as well. जो लोग educated हैं वो भी बहुत सारे लोग unemployed हैं, which doesn't help in our GDP or overall economic wealth. So yeah, education system should be developed much better, and education सबको मिलना चाहिए.
Okay. So, is there anything you would like to change in yourself?
There are several things.
Just one.
But if you ask me one thing, then I'll say sometimes I get very demotivated and very so that makes me more lazy, and somehow I tend to think so much, like I have this tendency to go into the zone of overthinking. So that I would like to reduce from my life if I can.
So, how will you reduce it? Like, if you just...
I'll have to engage myself in several other activities which engage my mind and don't let me overthink about things which I'm doing. So yeah, that's how I.
So basically, substance abuse is not the answer of this one. You need to engage yourself in different activities. You can do anything.
Correct.
Just to make yourself be motivated. Okay. So now, this is a very diplomatic question. Which is better? Arranged marriage or love marriage?
No, it's not diplomatic. It's a very general question, and I would say both are equally important and has their own pros and cons.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Yeah.
Since I'm not either arranged marriage or love marriage, so I cannot answer it properly. But from where I see, I feel both has their own importance in one's life.
So
Whether
in short, arranged come love marriage.
you can say that.
Okay. So, how's your equation with siblings and cousins?
I only have one brother, but I have several cousins, brothers and sisters. So everyone has their own life. They live their lives, and I tend to keep my privacy and their privacy in the priority. So I don't dig too much into their lives. But yeah, whenever they need me, I'm there.
He's there. That's right. Okay. So, what is the most embarrassing moment of your life?
I cannot answer.
He's a gentleman. He doesn't have any embarrassing
No.
moments.
There have been.
But he doesn't remember it.
Yeah,
That's okay.
I don't
You wanna do
remember
that.
things which doesn't require to be remembered. So that. Do you have any more questions? Or are we done with this?
Okay, this is my last question. Best and worst thing about our phones and social media.
This one, I would say, the
Best.
very
question.
brilliant question
Brilliant
out of
yes.
all the
Out
9
of all the
questions.
questions.
So first of all, I'd like to say that the social media is killing our creativity, I would say, because it's killing our time. Because we all have got this tendency to go for hours into looking on the Instagram,
Basically,
Facebook.
we are addicted to
Yeah,
it.
we are addicted to the social media, and hence the phone is the device which through we go with us. So we should try to reduce the hours we spend on the phone, because if we keep on looking on the phone throughout our day, we won't be able to enhance our creativity, and we cannot use or utilize our time, or whichever things we want to do, we cannot do it because we are mostly, and this is why most of the youth are lethargic nowadays.
Correct.
Because we have this tendency कि अभी नहीं यार, चलो थोड़ी देर में कर लूँगा, नहीं I have to do this right now, अभी नहीं, कल करते हैं, परसों करते हैं. I would say कि 70 to 80% इसमें सोशल मीडिया का हाथ है. जो लोग उसको बहुत ज़्यादा कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, that's very good. But I would say कि ये चीज़ थोड़ी सी एक drawback है.
Correct. So that was all. Thank you so much, Mr. Kasimbat, for
Thank you so
answering
much for-
all the brilliant questions or very lengthy questions.
So now you're going to tell me what did you find out about my personality? As you said, the questions will reveal my personality.
Okay,
I would
so
like to
this
know that.
one is also a brilliant question.
So answer me that now.
Okay, so from the answers you gave, it shows that you are a very brilliant person who knows everything. You know that what does he want to do and what is the thing all about. The best example is about True Love you gave, about the dopamine thing. So that means you are a brilliant man.
Love you, man.
Okay. Thank you so much. This was Basant Bhatt. and
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Subscribe to his channel.
Woo!
Also mine.
Yes, also Basant Bhatt's channel. Subscribe to him and show him love.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.